Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Adil Qureshi. Today's topic is the most recent controversial debatable topic, that's the Kashmir issue. Kashmir issue is the issue that in which Kashmir is disputed between India and Pakistan, and it's been so since the past 72 years. So let's see how long does this issue continue. Unfortunately, the UN has forgotten about the Kashmir issue. They should take a decision on this Kashmir issue as soon as possible. Why? Because two nuclear armed neighbors you can say fighting all the time over Kashmir. They fought 4 wars and numerous border skirmishes over Kashmir. What is Kashmir? At the end of the day, it's a piece of land with peaceful, innocent people. What India is doing is violating human rights. Why is the world silent about them? Why is the world silent about Palestine? This is one of those countries in the world, Kashmir, that is considered a heaven on earth. But why is this? Why are they being oppressed? Why are they being killed? And why is the world silent? For example, if you look at the East Timor issue, the UN made a decision quickly about the East Timor issue. Why are they silent about Kashmir? There should be a plebiscite of voting in Kashmir. Where do the people want to go? Do they want to stay independent, or do they want to join Pakistan, or do they want to join India? Because I can bet with all the money I have, they will either want to stay independent or join Pakistan. They'll not want to join India. Why? Because their shops are being closed, they are being dominated, they are being killed, they are being looked down upon in their own city. Why is India doing this? Why are they oppressing them? So obviously they won't keep quiet. They'll either resent, they'll either leave the country, they'll either resent, or in some way or the other they'll either, like Burhan Wani. What did he do? He attacked them. Why? He was fighting for their rights. So when someone is being oppressed, you either have to speak, raise your voice, or have to fight, resent. Because the world is silent, what is the next step? What can you do? So you will have to do something in such a way that will make the oppressor know that you aren't weak, that you aren't weak at all. So what we Muslim countries should do, we should unite. Whether it's Iran, Pakistan, Turkey, Malaysia, these Muslim dominated nations, we should unite and we should start speaking about Kashmir issue, because human rights are being violated. People's property is being confiscated, is being taken over illegally. So we Muslim nations should unite, because the UN won't do anything since the past 72 years. They haven't done anything since till the next 30 years, even they won't do anything. This issue will continue for, what do you think, 100 years? 100 years. So no issue can continue for 100 years. We have to do something as soon as possible. Whether it's economically, diplomatically, and last resort is militarily. Because we claim that it's our part, and inshallah it will be our part, because the people over there are fed up with what's happening and they don't deserve this. So the Kashmir issue I would rather suggest the UN should look into this matter like this, or East Timor. They should look into the Kashmir issue, and if there's any problem on their part, then the last resort is war. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hamza Jeeb. I am from Faisalabad. Today my lecture topic is Kashmir issue. That this issue is very important, and now this issue has become an international issue, and other organizations, for example OIC, UNO, European Union, all international organizations should solve this issue, and that on 5 August 2019, India, that is the against violation, that curfew on Kashmir, and that is a terrorist country, India, and violation. So other organization should solve this issue, give the referendum to Kashmiris, that if they want to with Pakistan, live with Pakistan, or live with India, or they separate country. That is the issue is 72 years old, but till this issue is not solving. India has finished the 370 article. It is also against human rights and should solve this issue. I think that other countries also finished all the trade with India, all the relation with India, till they don't solve the issue. I think that Pakistan Prime Minister also discussed this issue in UN Assembly, and Pakistan is urging the other countries this issue, and Pakistan is standing with Kashmiris, that I think this issue can be solved other organization. If they Christian, then this issue will be solved early. This issue will be solved early, but now they are Muslim, therefore their issue is not solving. and a lack of food in Kashmir, lack of medicine, a lack of in a curfew. They are in curfew, and this is against human rights. And I think they give the referendum, they solve what they want, and I think this issue can be solved by OIC. Is very important organization. Muslims should be stand on one stand. This issue can be solved. Turkey, this is Pakistan. Turkey is with Pakistan. China is also with Pakistan, and China is also urging the country India that solve this issue. So need more urging the Pakistan, then this issue will be solved.
I am Mohsen Ali Khan from Hatiyam Al Azad, Kashmir. Today we discuss on Kashmir issue. Kashmir issue is one of the biggest issues in these days in the world. So it's our responsibility to highlight the Kashmir issue everywhere in the world. The brutal Indian government has placed the curfew in Kashmir in last 3 months and still continue. Many of Kashmiris are injured and killed by the Indian army every day in the Kashmir. They don't give the basic rights of Kashmiris like religion, freedom and education, etc. But it is very shocking that the whole world are still silent on Kashmir issue. The UNO, America, Russia, British, even the Islamic countries are also silent on Kashmir issue. They don't do anything for Kashmir. I humbly request the whole world like UNO, America, Russia and Islamic countries to play their role to solve the Kashmir issue. But if they don't do anything for Kashmir, as a Muslim, I suggest the last possible solution for Kashmir is only jihad. And we are always ready for jihad as a Muslim. So be careful that न समझोगे तो मिट जाओगे ए हिंदुस्तान वालों, तुम्हारी दास्तान तक न रहेगी दास्तानों में. Thank you, goodbye.
Assalamualaikum. This is Usama speaking from Bhavanagar. Today's topic is the Kashmir issue. Liberty will not be descent to the people. It is a blessing that must be earned and can be enjoyed by the people. Kashmir is considered the paradise on the earth. Unfortunately, the place which was famous due to its beauty is in crisis in these days. The freedom fighters' blood has turned to red. The Kashmir issue is the bone of contention between Pakistan and India. The biggest hindrance in the normalization of relations between Pakistan and India is the Kashmir issue. The India has desired to acquire Jammu and Kashmir from the partition of subcontinent when partition of subcontinent has become inventable. So the people of Jammu and Kashmir has been suffering from the brutalities and cruelty of the occupied armies of India. They are being tortured and raped by the occupied forces from 1948. Now the time has come when UNO has to play its role, its vital role, as has played in the Iraq-Kuwait issue, and as well as Muslim Ummah has to awake from the slumber and show that Islam is a power which cannot be suppressed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद आसिफ है और मैं विहाड़ी शहर का रहने वाला हूँ। जैसा कि हमारा आज का टॉपिक है कश्मीर, तो मैं अपने पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू यही देना चाहता हूँ कि कश्मीर पाकिस्तान की शारग है और कश्मीर जन्नत की हसीन वादियों में से एक वादी है। जैसा कि पिछले 72-73 सालों से कश्मीर में बहुत ही जुल्म हो रहा है। हिंदुस्तान की खुफिया एजेंसी RSS और रा के एजेंट कश्मीर में बहुत ही जुल्म ढा रहे हैं। उनकी आज़ादी को दबाया जा रहा है, उनको आज़ादी हासिल नहीं होने देते। ہمیں ان کی آزادی کے لیے دعا کرنی چاہیے اور کشمیری عوام کے ساتھ شانہ بشانہ کھڑا ہونا چاہیے اور اپنی پاک فوج اور ISI کے ساتھ مل کر شانہ بشانہ ان کے ساتھ کھڑے ہو کر کشمیر کی آزادی کے لیے آواز اٹھانی چاہیے. جیسا کہ عمران خان مسئلہ کشمیر کا ایشو لے کر اقوام متحدہ میں گیا، لیکن اقوام متحدہ والوں نے بس بات چیت ہی کی، لیکن اس کا صحیح حل ابھی تک نہیں ڈھونڈا. تو کشمیر کا مسئلہ بس جہاد ہی کے ذریعے حل ہوگا، اس کے علاوہ کوئی اور کام کے ذریعے کشمیر آزاد نہیں ہوتا. دیکھیں جہاد کے ہی ذریعے ہم کشمیر کو آزاد کروا سکتے ہیں اور کشمیریوں کو ان کا حق دلوا سکتے ہیں. ہمیں کشمیریوں کی آزادی کے لیے دعا کرنی چاہیے اور ان کے دکھ سکھ میں شریک ہونا چاہیے اور ان کی آزادی کے لیے دعا کرنی چاہیے.